Morning. I'm going to talk you through how to log into Google Meets. So you should have signed into your account yesterday, and this is most likely what you'll see when you open a new tab. You're going to click on your waffle, and you are going to go to Google Classroom. Now I have a bunch of stuff here. You should just probably have mine and maybe something from last year, but you want to get to Miss Cassis's First Grade Superstars 2020-2021. I've tried to make this as easy as I can for you, and you'll notice right up here there is a Meet link, and this is what we will use every day, so you don't have to go find anything or type in codes. So you're just going to click right there. You're going to click. It will give you the information. And you click Join Now. And that is how you join Google Meets. Now I don't have anything on, I just wanted to show you how to get in. So once you click Join Now, you'll be in, and I will see you a little bit later this morning right here and now.